Hello everyone, I'm back with another fantastic and very conceptual question. This video is totally about your current preparation of JEE Advanced 2021. Let's see the question first. The question is saying that let f r to r, it may be a relation also, it may be a function also. Question is not specified. It's saying that it satisfies f of x plus 2 minus f of x is equal to x plus 1 for all x belongs to r and f of 0 is equal to 0, where f of x is a polynomial. Now this is a key point. This is a key word, that f of x is a polynomial. We have to find the polynomial f of x, right? Okay, before proceeding to the solution, I'll encourage each one of you to pause this video right here, and you should start solving this question yourself, taking this as actual JEE Advanced question. So for those who want to see the solution, let us say that the degree of the polynomial is equal to n, where n is greater than or equal to 0. Of course, n belongs to natural number because degree cannot be a fraction. Now, since f of x plus 2 minus f of x is equal to x plus 1 for all x belongs to R, so uh, what can you think from here? Because you have to solve this question from the syllabus of JEE Advanced. So the best part is that you can differentiate this function twice with respect to x on both sides. Why I'm saying this? Because after first differentiation, you can see that f dash of x plus 2 minus f dash of x is equal to 1 for all x belongs to R. Again, if you differentiate, you will get f double dash of x plus 2 minus f double dash of x is equal to 0, and this is the master stroke line, which is saying that f double dash of x plus 2 is equal to f double dash of x for all x belongs to R. Now this reminds me of the periodic function, whether by obviously f of x is given as a polynomial, so any differentiation of polynomial is another polynomial, which means that f double dash x is periodic function, and obviously the period of the function is equal to 2. So f double dash is a periodic function as well as it is a polynomial also. Now the only polynomial which is also periodic is what? Guess what? The only polynomial which is also periodic, right? Because a linear polynomial is a straight line, it is not periodic. Quadratic polynomial is, as you say, it's a parabola. So the only polynomial that is periodic is, you can say, any case degree of the polynomial is 0, right? So it must be a constant function, because f of f double dash x is equal to constant is a polynomial of degree 0, which is also periodic, although its fundamental period is not defined, but it is periodic, right? So let us say that f double dash x is equal to a for all x belongs to R, where a not equal to 0. Obviously, if it is 0, then it becomes 0 polynomial and whose degree is not defined, and therefore I have said that a not equal to 0. So degree of a 0 polynomial, that is f any polynomial y equal to 0 for all x belongs to R, the degree is not defined. Therefore f double dash x is equal to a, I have assumed, and a not equal to 0. Now I'm doing the reverse. I'm integrating both sides with respect to x. Now after first integration, what we should get is f dash of x is equal to ax plus b, where b is the constant of integration. As you can see that in indefinite integration we have to add one constant of integration. Now if I again differentiate both sides with respect to x, then the differentiation of f dash x on the LHS should become f of x, right? So f of x is equal to ax square by 2 plus bx plus c. Again, c here is another constant or integration for all x, but it is given that f of 0 is equal to 0, which implies that c is equal to 0. So now your f of x is equal to nothing but, as you can see from here, putting c is equal to 0 here, you are getting a by 2 into x square plus bx, because c is 0 for all x belongs to R. Now there are still two variables whose value is yet to be determined. The variables are a and b, and what do you think is the way to find this a and b? So the easiest way is to apply the given functional equation. In the beginning, in the question itself, it is given that is f of x plus 2 minus f of x is equal to x plus 1 for all x. So therefore, applying f of x plus 2 minus f of x is equal to x plus 1 on the obtained f of x, what we are getting is this, and taking the like terms together, I mean taking a by 2 common and taking b common, what you're getting is this. Now since it is saying that 2 times of a into x plus 1 minus 2b is equal to x plus 1 for all x, Now for all x signifies that it is an identity, and since if any equation becomes an identity, then you can compare the coefficients on the both sides. Therefore 2a is equal to 1 because the coefficient of x on the LHS is 2a and coefficient of x on the RHS is equal to 1. Similarly, constant term on the LHS is equal to minus 2b, 2a minus 2b, and on the RHS it is equal to 1. So therefore after solving we are getting a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 0. Putting these values in the obtained expression of f of x, what we are getting is f of x is equal to, putting a is equal to 1 by 2, we are getting x square by 4, and since b is 0, so no need to write, for all x belongs to R. So finally we got f of x is equal to x square by 4 for all x belongs to R. So this is our final expression. Hope you liked this video and you have learned something from this video, something new from this video, and this is the final answer. Okay, see you in the next video. But before that, what I'll encourage all of you is that you people should try to solve some unique question like this one. And if you people like this video, then please like it, and if you have to say anything, please write in the comment box. Okay, take care everyone, keep solving, bye bye.